Video footage has been released on social media capturing the aftermath of the deadly Ukrainian drone attack on Russian cargo vessels in the Azov Sea last night. The attack has killed 5 Azerbaijanis on board. Video shared online shows Azerbaijani nationals in one of the vessels in the aftermath of the attack. The panicked men showed the massive fire in the vessel. One of the men said their vessel had been hit by a drone and that if it doesn't sink by the morning, they would be able to survive. Azerbaijan's foreign ministry said 5 of its citizens were killed and 3 others injured in the attack on 2 cargo ships in the Taganrog Bay of the Sea of Azov overnight June 5. Baku said the attack targeted the cargo ships, Natra and Zircon, which were carrying 25 Azerbaijani nationals. Officials from the ministry said the ships were not Azerbaijani-owned and maintained that the Azerbaijani crew members had joined the vessels voluntarily, without being dispatched or instructed by the government. No further details were given on the ownership of the ships or their flag. Earlier, Ukraine's Unmanned Systems Forces commander Robert Vrovdy said they struck 5 Russian vessels overnight on June 5 in and around the occupied ports of Mariupol and Berdyansk in southeastern Zaporizhia region. He said targeted vessels, which included cargo ships and a tanker, were allegedly involved in transporting stolen Ukrainian grain, military supplies, and fuel. Vrovdy did not directly comment on Azerbaijani reports of deaths or injuries.
Mən telefon çəkirəm də, yanıq. Dronla vurublar gəmimizi.
Ya Rəbbim.
Allah köməyimiz olsun hamımıza.
Ya Rəbbim, çıxaq, bir dənə sağ-salamat çıxaq buradan. Bir dənə sağ-salamat çıxaq buradan. Bir dənə batmasa çıxacaq. Batmasın bir dənə səhərə kimi.